Hey everybody, just dropping in for a quick DIY Saturday, even though it's a holiday weekend, but this is perfect for your holiday, whether you're spending it at home or you're getting together socially distancing with some friends or family. So today I'm making, or I just made actually, a strawberry citrus slush. I haven't even tried it yet, but I'm going to tell you what I put in there. First, you're going to need 2 cups of fresh lemonade. You can make those by squeezing your own lemons, or you can use some already made lemonade. That'll generally have more sugar. Lemonade definitely has sugar, and you have alternatives to that. But it's something that I don't drink a lot, but I love it in the summer once in a while. It's just really like refreshing and fun to have every once in a while in the summer. I use this Hubert's lemonade, and as I said, it does have some sugar, but this one is pretty basic ingredient list there. Then you're going to need 2 cups of frozen strawberries. So just use these from Whole Foods. 1 lemon juiced. And then 4 drops of lemon essential oil and 4 drops of lime essential oil. I don't have the lime right here at the moment, but I'm only speaking of doTERRA essential oils because I know that the lemon and lime from doTERRA are safe to ingest because they're certified pure therapeutic grade. So if you're making this and you're using some other oils outside of doTERRA, I urge you to check into the quality because you don't necessarily want to ingest any essential oil. They are not all created equal, even if on the bottle it says 100% organic and pure. There's no regulation on that, so it could be really anything. On the label here, there is a supplement fact label, just like you would have on your food labels, and it does say for aromatic, topical, and dietary use, so I know I can take it internally. Next, I did 3 cups of ice, and actually I did a little less, even though the recipe, which I'll list below, has 3 cups. I could not fit 3 cups in this blender for some reason once I had all the other ingredients in there. And then finally, you can put 3 tablespoons if you want of sugar, or you can use stevia if you would like to have an alternative sweetener. Then you put it all in the blender. Give it a try. Sounds good. Looks good. This should make about 4 servings, or maybe 3 like larger servings. And now we are good to go. I suppose if you want to really celebrate, you could put some shot of vodka or something in there. I don't know. I don't drink vodka. Pretty tasty. Ooh, and it's definitely tart and sweet, perfect for a hot day. So enjoy your strawberry citrus slush. The link will be in the below in the comments with the recipe, and have a beautiful day.